Alright, YouTube, back here with another video for you guys. Y'all see the title. I'm gonna see what I can make off these 10 Xboxes I bought in a lot for $200. It was some more stuff that's in the lot, some Wii's, some PS3s, but this video is gonna focus on the Xboxes for right now. But yeah, let's get into it.
With a 660 Ti graphics card, 210 should speak for itself, and I enjoy it.
Alright, y'all, so I got some unexpected news. So this charger that I bought with the lot doesn't fit this port. So if you see, yeah, what I will do is sell it in a lot of 5. This little piggy's getting sold as is. Works perfectly, no hard drive. This bad boy's going for 55. Same right here, 55. This little piggy got a bad optical drive, Model S. This little piggy right here is a video for another day, so it's gonna get put aside for right now.